Here's how you do an oil change on a 3.7 liter Ford. This works the same for the Mustangs and the Ford F-150s. It's 15. Right here, break it loose. Not yet. It's not loose enough. Let's see now. There we go. Try to keep the light for you guys. The light died again. Alright, let's see something here. There's your oil. Let's let that drain. Once it's done draining, I like to start by hand, and sometimes I keep going until I can't do it anymore. Then I tighten it up with this. Not too tight. Again, this is a 15. And now you add oil. After you do that, you have to add 5 to 6 quarts of oil. 5 quarts, I think you'll be fine. It's synthetic blend 5W20. And after you add the 5 quarts, you'll be done. I only took this off just so you can see better, but you don't have to take it off. I added all of these in here. They're all empty. And I add some more. And now let's check the oil level. Yeah, it looks pretty full. Added 5 quarts. Let's put the top back on. Like I said, you don't have to take this off. I only did it so you guys can see better. Alright, now let's start the car. See, it says hold reset equals new. So you hold reset. It says oil life set to 100%.